Hi, my name is Graham and welcome to the Vapors Guide. Today we're going to be talking about the Innokin T18 and how to change a coil in this device. Don't forget to keep up to date with our content, hit the like button, the share button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get straight into it and dive down to the table. Really quite simple. You just remove the top part like so. Set the battery to one side and you're left with this. Down at the bottom you see a small ring. You just twist that off like so, and then if I can get in nice and close with the camera, you just put your nail underneath the atomizer and you pull that out, and that's what your atomizer or your filter looks like. Now, one thing I will point out to you see in the atomizer you have two sides that are flat and you have two sides that are round. This must match up with the two flat sides here and the two round sides down, up and down. Now, if you put it in the wrong way around, and that's what I'm going to do first. So I haven't matched up the round and I haven't matched up the flat. You can see it's actually protruding there a little bit, but I'll put on the ring and then you'll know that I've done it wrong. So if I put on this ring, you can see that around here I can put my nail into that. If you put in your atomizer and you can put your nail in around here, you've done it wrong. So we don't want to do that. We want to do it the correct way. So get your top, get your atomizer so it's lined up straight, put it in like so. Then you put your top on, screw that on, and as you can see this time there's nowhere to put your nail. So that is the atomizer installed correct. Don't forget to leave this video a like, a share and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit the notification bell if you want to keep up to date with our new video releases. Until next week, may all your clouds be full of flavour.